We're getting loads and loads of these tomatoes from greenhouses. And we can't save them in fridge forever because they'll spoil, as we know. And we've already done a video showing you how to freeze them whole. But if you're going to make soups with them at some point, then all you need to do to freeze them is chop them into small chunks, chuck them in your blender and get them all blended up. You don't need to remove skins or get rid of the seeds either, because we'll do that at a later stage. And it really is as simple as that. Just big tomatoes, I just quarter them, chuck them straight into the blender. Small ones or medium ones, I just half. That blender's going to do all the work for you. Just make sure you take those tops off. So I'll just keep going until we've got this filled. So we'll get these blended. So now they've been blended, that level's gone down a bit, so we'll just add some more. That's done. So if, like me, you're always trying to recycle and save money at the same time, then this can be just put in old margarine tubs. We save these and we just completely clean them out and sterilise them. And they're perfect for storing your sauce in. And just pop your lid on while it's freezing so it doesn't spill. And that is a really nice looking tomato sauce. And basically all I'll do is fill these tubs right to the top, because that's a pretty good portion size. And then basically you've got blended fresh tomatoes in there, ready to go straight in your freezer. So pop a lid on, pop that in your freezer, and when you're ready you can just take it out, defrost it and use it. But on the other hand, if you would like to prepare that sauce ready to defrost and make straight into a soup without any seeds or skin, I'll show you what I do for that as well. So basically we just need a fine sieve and a jug. And then we'll take some of this blended tomato, pop it in this sieve, and then all we're going to do is force it through this sieve with whatever tool you've got at hand. I'm just using a rolling pin at the moment. And as you're doing this, you're going to be forcing all that pure tomato sauce through, and it'll just leave behind the seeds and the skin. And to be fair, because we've blended these already, it doesn't take long. I'll just let you have a look. So we've just forced all that sauce through, and all we've got left is bits of skin and the seeds, the part that we don't want. And it only took a minute or so. And what we've got there is now pure tomato sauce, ready to use straight from freezer. So now you've seen this video, you know you'll never ever have to waste any tomatoes again. And you've got two ways that you can do it. If you're in a hurry, the quick way, quarter, blend, freeze. But if you want to do it so that you know that whenever you want to make a sauce or a soup, all you need to do is take it out, put it in a pan, and you're on your way. And you can do that by using that method to remove all those seeds and those bits of skin, and you're good to go. If you're interested in seeing how we preserve other things that we grow in the garden, then please just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell. And we'll see you on the next one. You all take care. Thank you very much for watching.